Remember that old jump rope collecting dust in your garage? It's time to give it a second chance. Yes, you heard it right. The jump rope, that simple but powerful tool from your childhood, is making a surprising comeback in the fitness industry. Why, you ask? Well, it turns out that this humble piece of equipment packs a punch when it comes to full-body workouts. Think about it. Jumping rope requires coordination, agility, and endurance. It's not just about the jumping, it's also about timing, rhythm, and concentration. And while it may seem like a fun game from our school days, it's actually a rigorous activity that can torch calories, boost cardiovascular health, and tone muscles. Now, if you're sitting there, raising an eyebrow wondering if the jump rope can really deliver all these benefits, let's delve a little deeper. Picture this. A study found that just 10 minutes of jumping rope can be equivalent to running an 8-minute mile. That's right, 10 minutes of hopping over a rope can give you the same benefits as a brisk run. But that's not all. Jumping rope is also a fantastic way to boost bone density, improve agility, and even exercise your brain. Yes, the brain. This activity requires a lot of mental focus and coordination, which can help improve cognitive function. So, if you're looking for a versatile, affordable, and effective workout tool, look no further than the jump rope. It's time to dust off that old rope and start skipping your way to better health and fitness. With a little practice and patience, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve with this simple but powerful tool. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even on vacation, your jump rope can go with you. So why not add a little hop, skip, and jump to your fitness routine? So ready to rediscover the magic of the jump rope? Did you ever imagine a simple jump rope could torch your calories? Well, it's time to unleash the calorie burner that's been gathering dust in your garage. Here's a fun fact. Jumping rope can burn calories at an impressively fast rate, even outperforming many other popular exercises. Picture this. Just a moderate pace of skipping rope can burn between 10 to 16 calories a minute. Now, imagine committing to a 10-minute jump rope routine daily. That's a whopping 160 calories gone, just like that. In comparison, this is equivalent to running an 8-minute mile, which is quite a feat for most of us. So, if you're looking for an exercise that's both fun and effective, jumping rope is your best bet. And remember, the faster you jump, the more calories you burn. So grab that rope and start skipping. Just 10 minutes of jumping rope, and you've got a mini calorie inferno going. How about boosting your bone density with the jump rope? You might be surprised to learn that this simple, nostalgic exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to building stronger bones. Sure, we all know that a high-calcium diet is key for bone health, but did you know that the act of jumping can provide similar benefits? Indeed, studies have shown that just 10 minutes of jumping each day can offer more bone-building benefits than even running. This holds true for everyone, from the young and fit to the elderly and athletes. Why? Because the action of jumping is one of the most effective exercises for boosting bone density. So when you're swinging that rope and hopping to the beat, remember that you're doing more than just getting your heart pumping, you're strengthening your bones too. So jumping rope isn't just fun, it's great for your bones too. Ever wondered why boxers love jumping rope so much? It's not just about staying light on their feet. Jumping rope develops agility, quickness, and balance. These are crucial skills for everyone, not just athletes. Imagine being able to move quickly and lightly, like a gazelle. Well, 10 minutes of jump rope a day can help you achieve that. It's a workout that connects your body with your mind, making neural muscular adjustments that improve your balance. Jumping rope targets your calves, knees, and ankle joints. This exercise boosts your quickness and balance by making your mind focus on your footwork for sustained periods. The result? An increased resistance to foot and ankle injuries. So if you're looking for a way to enhance your agility and quickness, look no further than the humble jump rope. It's not just for boxers. So if you're looking to move like a panther, the jump rope is your best friend. But the benefits of jumping rope aren't just physical, they're mental too. Picture this, as your feet rhythmically hit the ground and the rope whizzes past your ears, your brain is busy coordinating this intricate dance of timing and body movement. This kind of simultaneous, complex activity fires up your gray matter, improving cognitive functioning. But there's more. The left and right hemispheres of your brain are both engaged in this exercise, enhancing their development. This dual engagement can lead to improvements in areas such as memory and reading skills. Plus, the increased mental awareness that comes with regular rope jumping can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you stay sharp and focused whether you're at work, studying, or just going about your daily routine. Who knew a simple jump rope could give your brain such a workout? And the best part? Jumping rope is affordable and versatile. It's a simple fitness tool that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, no matter where you are or how much time you have. You can use it as a warm-up exercise to kickstart your workout or make it the main event of your fitness regime. All you need is a jump rope, a flat surface for steady rhythm and footing, and sufficient space. Be it in your living room, backyard, or at your local park. And the best thing about it? There are countless online guides and tutorials to help beginners get started, and plenty of tricks and speed variations to keep things interesting for the seasoned skippers. So, whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can always find time for a quick, effective jump rope workout. So, are you ready to give the jump rope a whirl? Share your thoughts in the comments below.